British Sign Language uses both hands to spell every letter of the alphabet. But what if a pair of smart gloves could read those hand shapes in real time and turn them directly into text on screen? That is exactly what this project does.
A B B B B C C C D D E E E F F F F F G G H I J K L M N N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Y Z.
BSL Sign Gloves is a wearable system built to recognize British Sign Language two-handed fingerspelling, all 26 letters in real time. Two ESP32-powered gloves, one for each hand, stream sensor data over Wi-Fi 50 times per second to a fast API backend. The backend engineers a 26-dimensional feature vector from every frame and routes it through a two-stage machine learning pipeline. The result, recognized letters, appears live on a React dashboard and accumulates into words and sentences. Because BSL fingerspelling is two-handed, both gloves are mandatory. One hand frequently acts on the other, and that interhand relationship is part of the signal. Each glove packs 3 types of sensors into a thin Lycra substrate. 5 flex sensors, 1 per finger, measure how bent or curled each finger is. 3 force-sensitive resistors on the thumb tip, index tip, and pinky tip detect contact and pressure between the hands. And a 6-axis IMU, the MPU 6050, tracks the orientation and motion of the entire hand using an accelerometer and gyroscope. A 16-channel multiplexer routes all 8 analog sensors through a single ADC pin, because the ESP32 only has one ADC channel available while Wi-Fi is active. Every 20 milliseconds, each glove reads all its sensors, fuses the accelerometer and gyroscope data into a quaternion, and sends a compact JSON packet over WebSocket to the backend. The machine learning system has 2 stages, and a motion detector decides which stage handles each frame. When the hands are still, a motion energy calculation, gravity compensated, routes the frame to a fast static classifier. That classifier is an XGBoost model trained on 24 letters of the alphabet, the ones that are held poses. When motion is detected and sustained for at least 3 frames, a 2-second window of 100 frames is buffered and sent to a CNN-LSTM, a convolutional and recurrent neural network that handles the 2 motion letters in BSL fingerspelling, J and Z. J adds a downward hook to the I pose. Z traces a Z shape through the air. Both require temporal context across many frames, which is exactly what the CNN-LSTM captures. A confidence threshold of 85% for static letters and 60% for dynamic ones ensures that low-confidence frames are rejected as unknown rather than forced into a wrong prediction. A debounced filter then requires 3 consecutive identical predictions before a letter is emitted, eliminating flicker. Every aligned pair of frames becomes a 26-dimensional feature vector, 10 features for finger bend across both hands, 6 for fingertip pressure, 6 for hand orientation, roll, pitch, and yaw, derived from the quaternion, and 4 derived features capturing overall hand, openness, and the relative angle between the 2 hands. Feature importance analysis shows that the right middle flex, right pitch angle, and index tip pressure are the top discriminators. The pinky tip pressure sensor is especially important for separating letters like U and E, where the dominant index finger presses on the non-dominant pinky. BSL Sign Gloves is a full-stack embedded and machine learning project, from sensor wiring on Lycra to a trained neural network running live inference. It demonstrates that two-handed British Sign Language fingerspelling can be read in real time from affordable off-the-shelf hardware. The roadmap ahead includes real data collection, sentence-level assembly, and an IMU upgrade for lower drift. The goal is a system that genuinely helps bridge communication between signers and non-signers, one letter at a time.